So this is the Kershaw Shuffle 2 in olive. I'll give you the SKU number real fast. It is 8750TO, like Oscar, LBW. The Shuffle 2 has been a great knife. I carried it for over 2 years, pretty much every single day. It has been fantastic. I've really liked it. The blade is the blade metal is 8ACR13 MOV, and it's Tonto shaped blade. You can actually see I've sharpened it so many times that the blade's a little narrower at the front here than it was when I originally got it. At least it feels like it to me. You can see it's been worn. This was black before. This whole, the whole thing has just been worn and worn and worn, because for 2 years I carried it all the time. Opened more than a few bottles with this with the bottle opener. I don't think it needs to have the opener on both sides, but it has been a fantastic carry knife. I did not love how wide the blade is. It's hard to explain, and I'm sure there's a proper word for it, but this width makes it so the edges are they have cheeks. They're a little rounded as they come off the blade, so it doesn't cut through paper like one of these ultra sharp beautiful Japanese knives, but it does do a really good job. Let's be honest, I've opened 1,000 Amazon packages with it. It does have deep carry, what I call deep carry blade. It's not as deep as it could be, but you can see the screws here. It's right or left-handed carry because it has screws on this side also for the clip. It's great. It's great. It has been lovely to carry. I really like it. I'm even going to have to go back to it when I can't carry the Ozark Trail orange knife that everybody's lusting over at the moment, because one, this is green, not orange, so it's not as bright, and this isn't as long as the Ozark Trail knife, so it will fit much better into my pocket, and you won't be able to see the orange, because as we know, living in California, you're a mass murderer if you carry a pocket knife. By the way, they don't talk about this much, but this acts as a flat edge screwdriver, and I've used it many times to screw in things. When I put up my ham radio antenna, it's a permanent antenna that I put up and take down regularly just for testing, but I need a flathead screwdriver to tighten some of the screws, and this works perfectly, and then I don't have to worry about carrying one or keeping one in my kit. So all in all, I've loved this knife. The handles on it are just some plastic. I don't even know what they are, but they've been very rugged and good. It feels good in the hand with this this bumpy texture, and I would definitely recommend it. If anybody else is looking for a knife like this, check out the specs on Amazon. It's a great knife, and I would definitely recommend it. I will tell you more about the original Shuffle 1 that I had in the next video or in a future video, but let's just say it was passed on, and that's what will probably happen to this one now that I have the Ozark Trail knife. We'll see. Anyways, all in all, I've said it before, I'll say it again. This is a great knife. This will be a great gift. Any guy would like it for birthday, Father's Day, holidays. Keep this knife in mind. Coming in at just under $25, and it does go on sale. Regularly it's $30, but right now it's on sale for $25, almost, just under $25. And I don't know if it'll ever go back down to the $19 to $22 it used to be, but even at $25, even at $30, I think this is a great knife, and definitely recommend it. Do me a favor, if you like this video, hit like. I'm not even going to ask you to subscribe, and I'll have a link for the knife down in the comments.